Hello, Dan the Old Man here. Need to make a 360-degree hands-free video for your band or whatever? Cheap, easy? Check it out. Need to get yourself a wind-up rotating toy, or in this case, Christmas decoration. Got this at Antique Store for $6. It'll probably have a music maker inside. I was able to crack the top off of this with one swipe of a hammer and chisel. Fairly heavy ceramic figures. Revealed the music maker. 2 screws removed the music maker. Put the top back on, glued it back on. Used a old license plate to cut up and make a shelf, and taped it on here crudely with electrical tape. And then I simply put my Sony Blogger on this shelf, hit record, and if you wind it up good, this particular decoration lasts for over 2 minutes, and you have hands-free 360-degree video making apparatus. Cheap, easy.